I believe SiriX Pro is one of the best range phone effects in the market. You can see a phone right here. So you see a phone, you see a phone case.
Yes.
You can even hear it put back. Another hand, put on top. 1, 2, 3.
It's still in that, I think.
Wait. Can you still see the phone?
No.
It's vanished, my phone is vanished, but it actually turned into something weird.
So where is your phone?
This trick is based on SiriX, created by Mariano Goni and Mago from Spain in 2019. I love this piece so much, so I bought the rights of it from them. This new version includes some special features. First, you can show its camera before the phone vanishes. Second, the case looks as thin as a case after putting the SiriX gimmick inside. Third, you can not only make a phone vanish, but make it change into a transparent phone. This trick is good for close-up performance and parlor show. We also include Mariano Goni's pickpocket routine. In addition to vanishing a phone, you can put any bill inside the case and make it vanish. You can even show the phone in the last moment, but suddenly, poof, everything goes back to your pocket. Most importantly, you don't need a matching phone to perform this effect, because we include everything you need. So, what are you waiting for? Grab yours now before it vanishes.